Napkins. Hey, pod people, this is the DanMan. Welcome to another shopping vlog. Here I am in the toy aisle. Look at these things, aren't they nice? Wouldn't you say they're better than rice? Dum 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 dum. Oh, look at the little Batman symbol. Hello, Batman. Batman. Don't this look nice? Oh, a kiddie pool. Summer's coming up, better be ready. Very, very interesting. Mr. Chickles. What are you doing here, Mr. Chickles? Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's a Windup. That's awesome. That's sick. There we go. God, this actually looks really cool. Hold on a sec. And it's awesome. Really awesome. Mateo, what are you doing? This is my first oldest brother. He's joining me for my shopping vlogs. And he's winding up Mr. Chickles. And Bundles. There's a big chubby Mr. Bundles. Hello, Mr. Bundles.
Hey, Daniel. I'm about to let loose the beast.
B.
And it attacks.
It attacks for what reason? Good God. Come on. Very funny. Oh, look at me. Aren't I so cute?
Hey, I'm so hip-hoppy. Hip.
Okay, I didn't know that. Wait, what's
No,
up?
it's like a thing you press.
Hey, Jay, kawaii. I'm backwards. Gotta do. Gotta do.
Yeah, I'm dancing too hard. Oh, my dance is too hard.
That's embarrassing. I had him backwards. Easter's gonna be coming up in 1 month. Can't wait. I think I just bumped into something. Sorry. I have a cold. Sorry for the cough. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Is that like a little pod you can carry stuff in? Oh, it's a little treasure chest.
Oh, duh.
I can't see the textures.
I think so.
So you're a fool, Junior. I just zoomed in on your face. You're a freak. Oh, you're a stupid I have had it with these Lego rip-offs for years. They do not work as well as regular Legos do. Because they do not make sense whatsoever. They're not built right. The paint on them easily will get scratched away. You know, the moment you buy it. But just makes them fun. Just makes them really stupid. Look, 25% off. Isn't that wonderful? Heck. Oh no. The whoopee cushion! No! It's back. You will never take me alive, whoopee cushion. Chocolate. This is quite wonderful. Is it or is it not? Tell me, child. Tell me. Tell me, is it good or not? Or I will poke you with this trowel stick. Trowel. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Ah, screw you. Wow, I wonder how many birthday cards. Are there any type of holiday cards I can give someone? Nah, not enough. That's just not enough. I am the creature of the night that sucks those. You better beware, because I'm right behind you. No, forget that, no. Oh god, forget creature of the night. You just held bones at me. Yay. Well, I'm gonna leave this video here. This has been the Return on the Shopping Vlogs. I'll probably make more but not next week or so. But I will still, and be tuned for more videos from me, DanMan. And be sure to like, subscribe, comment below for more. And I will see you all soon. And DanMan out.